welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be trying out Happy Monkey, which I say is a pretty good game without mods. They have the Christmas 2022 update, which was the hardest update the owner says. And if we come over here, they have the launch sale. They have the day one. That's when clouds opened up. Got the little blue guy balloon. We have the launch day sales. All the, this does kind of work, but you will get stuck. To come over here, not get the day one launch day thing. You cannot get the day one launch day thing. You can't buy it. You have to get the owner from it. Just don't go around asking for everything, okay? Because he is very nice, but when it comes to asking for you stuff, But yeah, and also he was very generous enough to give me moderator. Give me moderator in his game. Very generous to give me moderator in this game. The owner's name is Ziggy, and you will see a lot of moderators. You do not join code 1. Do not join code 1 anymore, okay? Because if you do, there probably won't be anyone in there anymore, because Ziggy told everyone, moderators, everyone, to just go into public lobbies. He wants those running. So yeah. Every map works. Hold on a second. You see? Lobbies do work. I think you really should get this. I really think you should get this game. It's a really good game. And if there's at least one moderator every single day active in this game. At least one day there is a moderator in this game. Okay? So you might see me. You might see me. So yeah, and you might see Ziggy. I don't know. You might see me, you might not. So yeah, then you really should get this game. Very fun, even though mods don't work right now. But Ziggy did say he'll try to get those working. And yeah, he said I'll try to get those working now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Clouds do work. I promise clouds do work. So yeah, and don't go around asking for mod. Okay? So yeah. I don't know what we're doing. I'm just dancing. Okay. Yeah, I guess this video. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. This video will be good, and I will make more videos on this game. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Just an update, and have a good day or night. Alright? So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.